Today we're going to talk about how Maya uses Photoshop to keep us in illusion. Listen to this. It's really interesting. It's going to really help you understand the tricks of Maya that she plays on you, how she pulls the wool over your eyes. I was raised in Los Angeles. Los Angeles, Hollywood was the head of the motion picture industry. And the early days of that industry, they called the directors and producers masters of illusion, because actually that's what they were doing. They were creating illusion that something was happening. Godzilla was destroying a city. And it actually was just some little doll. And they could, what to speak of what can be done now with animation and special effects. Now we have Photoshop. So what is Photoshop? You can take something and make it look different. You can take an average-looking person and make them look beautiful. You can take a skinny guy and put muscles on him. You can take an overweight woman and you can make her thin. That's what Photoshop does. It changes. And so it changes the image of what you see. So what you're actually seeing is not real. It's been Photoshopped. As one model said, they were saying how beautiful she looks on the cover of that magazine. And she said, yeah, I wish I was as beautiful as that girl on the cover of the magazine. That girl is her. But in reality, she's not that beautiful. It was Photoshopped. And now she looks like a demigoddess. So Maya does the same thing. So this is the way Maya works. We have a desire to enjoy. That's the problem, because if we don't have a desire to enjoy, she can't work on us. So she finds all the people who have a desire to enjoy, and she Photoshops their reality. She said, look it. And she starts getting them to imagine what it's going to be like. So she starts Photoshopping. It's going to be the beautiful woman and the beautiful house and the car and the job and the dog and the success up the corporate ladder. And she's Photoshopping everything to look in a way it can never look like. And then you're looking at the Photoshop version and you're running after it. And then, of course, you get frustrated because it's a Photoshop. It's not real. So Maya is the master of Photoshopping reality into this illusory scenario that doesn't exist, to get us motivated to run after our material ambition. So if you understand that, when you have this illusion in your mind that if I just do this, I'll be happy, what's happening is Maya is Photoshopping, or you can use the other example, she's making a movie. She's showing you the scenario you're imagining. Here's the movie. But it's an illusion. She's the master, the mistress of illusion. If you understand this, then as you begin to contemplate so-called enjoyment, what it's going to be like, how you're going to enjoy it, etc., just remember that Maya is creating an illusory picture, a Photoshop picture, an illusory movie of what it's going to be like. And the most sad thing is that we know that. The most sad thing is that we have experience of that. And still, we do it again and again and again. We don't have to. Prabhupada has revealed the whole plan of Maya. We have to be intelligent. We have to study Prabhupada's books, constantly hearing, constantly being able to see how Maya is painting this illusory landscape that we run after. And once you understand that, then you can be fixed in Krishna consciousness. You can be stable and steady because you won't be running after that illusion. Hare Krishna.